What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're going to test this HyperFoam wheel cleaner from Turtle Wax. Let's do it. Alright guys, we're back again. I'm excited today because today we're going to test this one, HyperFoam wheel cleaner and tire prep. Okay, this is from Turtle Wax. This is a new technology, and let's see how this one works. This will remove the dirt, grime, dirt, and everything from the tire and wheel. Okay, so this is a hybrid solution from Turtle Wax, and we're gonna test it on the Supra, on the Ferrara wheels. Okay, so let's see how this one works. I have more products to test. These are the new 2022 products from Turtle Wax. Okay, but I don't want to make the video too long, so today we're gonna test this one. But subscribe and keep the notification bell to see the rest of the videos. Okay, but today let's test, and let's start with this one and test it. Okay, as you can see, my car has a little bit of brake dust and dust too. You can see it's a little bit dirty. Okay, so let's test this one. This one, it says wheel cleaner quick reacting formula. Okay, so it will change color when it's reacting. Okay, so but let's test this one. Let's put water first and let's put the product. Let's start with the cleaning. Okay, this wheel cleaner has a little bit of iron remover, so this is a good thing because it will remove all the dirt that is hard to remove, and also will clean the tire at the same time. You can see it here. It's turning brown in here on the tire. It's amazing. And the next step that I always like to do is use a bucket with a little bit of water to scrub the wheels a little bit to remove the dirt that is hard to remove. I think it works amazing because I haven't wiped it off yet. I don't know if you can see here, no dust, nothing. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, maybe it's a little bit hard. Even if I do it like this, you see, like this, no dust. It's amazing. Yeah, you will have to wipe the water off. But as you can see, it worked great. Man, look at that. Amazing, I love it. And let me show you the other side. Okay, this is the other side. As you can see here, the dust. Okay, it has a lot of dust. And the other one. Right here, nice and clean. I'm gonna wipe the water off, okay, but I have to wash the whole car. Okay, but first let me show you with the water. You can see even here, no dust. Amazing, this one is amazing, and it doesn't smell like too bad because the iron cleaners Usually they smell bad. This one, it has just a little bit of iron cleaner, I think, because I can smell it, but it's not too strong. Okay, this is amazing. Can see there. Let me wipe off the water.
All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once sober.
Look at this, it looks amazing. Super clean. And the good thing about this, if you apply every tire shine, tire coating or tire dressing, it will last longer because now the tire is super clean. So that's on the next video. We're gonna do the tire shine. All right, the link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below.
Cut the cord that kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above, we used to feel like a glove. I still think about the you that only exists in my brain. Nothing ever stays the same, guess it's just a shame, with no one to blame. All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once sober.
Okay guys, that's the final product. Amazing. Look at this, beautiful wheels. Look at that, nice and clean. So this is an amazing product. It's very easy to use. That's the most important thing. Super easy to use. You just put it, rinse the wheel, apply the product, let it sit for like 30 seconds, scrub it, rinse it, and that's it, you're done. It's amazing. So let me know what you guys think in the comments about this product, and the link for this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and share it with your friend. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.